Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to turn on and off SOS on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on safety and emergency. Now from here, just tap on emergency SOS. Now just tap on turn on emergency SOS. Now from here, if you press the power button 5 times or more quickly, it will call the emergency services. Just like that. Now to turn it off, just disable this toggle. And this is how you can turn on and off SOS on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.